Playtime! Kitty, what job do you want when you grow up? Wow, you're so strong! A firefighter! Oh no, the puppy's trapped! We need more water! No, puppy! Wait for the firefighter! Yay!
Cruella, what job do you want?
A doctor! Lots of people to help! Does it light up? Yeah! Where is the music coming from? Squirrel has lots of boo-boos. What about Rhino? What job do you want? Ugh, nasty germs. Haha, scientist. Oops. Oh no, it's a monster flower. Quick, Rhino, find a cure. You did it! What do you want to be when you grow up? What work is this, Hedgehog? When I grow up, I will be big and strong. I want to be a builder. That doesn't look very safe. Yikes! See you next time! Wow, cool car, Rhino! Watch out!
Oh no! Yucky mud! Time for a wash!
Bubbly soapy bubbles! Towel and dry!
Yeah! Time for a ride!
No! Look at the road, Kitty! Oh no! You're both covered in mud!
Let me help! Here you go!
Yeah! Sparkling clean again! Hedgehog, look ahead! Yikes! A dust cloud! Look how dirty the car is! So, bubbles first! Then water and a rub! Oh no! Car's frozen! I'll clean you! cold. A spoonful of medicine.
Where's Hedgehog?
Yikes! A mud bath. Yay! We're at the playground. Let's play. What next? I want to swing. Koala, were you next?
What happened? It was Rhino's go.
Sorry, let's play together. Whoa! Hold tight, boys. I want to climb high. Me first.
Hedgehog, that's not nice.
I'm stuck. Play nicely, kids, and help each other. It's too high. Yikes, kids! We need help! Rhino, Kitty, help! Hold hands, then jump! Yeah! Look, a merry-go-round! Wow!
I wanna go.
Rhino pushed me off!
Huh? It stopped. I'm sorry.
Where are you going, Hedgehog?
Wow! A trampoline! Me first!
What's wrong? Kitty, you're not playing nicely.
Let's jump together!
Koala, no! Always play nicely with friends, yeah! Hey, police officer. Checking everyth's okay? Oh, look!
I've lost my mommy! Will you help me? Jump in, we'll look together!
Yeah, off we go!
Is that Mom? No!
Is that her? Oops, sorry, I'm wrong. Kitty, it's Mom! Oh no, a bad guy!
What's happened?
The bad guy must be hiding. That's not mine! No! He's in the bushes! Wait for the green man, Hedgehog. Yikes! The traffic lights are broken! Police officers ready to direct the traffic. Wow, so cool!
take my hand.
Which way's the cafe? Oh, rumbling tummy!
Rhino asked the officer to help.
That way.
Ooh, it's a long walk.
Jump in, I'll take you. Snack time.
Oh no! None left! What are you making, kids? Yeah! Donuts! For everyone! Yay! Wow! A grocery store sale? What do we need?
Hurry up, Dad!
Rhino, wait for Dad!
Oh, my tummy's rumbling! Yummy cakes! I want more!
Oh no!
Look, Dad! I've got the shopping!
Which one?
Let's take both, yeah!
Oh! What have you seen? Kitty, are they on the list?
It's a shopping mountain. Here you go.
I'm bored! Yummy puppy popcorn! Popstick! I need fruit juice!
No, Koala, put it back! Hey!
I love shopping days!
Cat's Dad! What do we need? I can help! Way to go, Dad! Oops! Quick, Hedgehog, you can pick them up! Did the orange bump your head?
I'm better now, yeah!
Grocery shopping fun! Yay!
Look at my parents!
Oops, careful, Daddy! Oh no!
Ooh, smelly!
Wait, Daddy! Daddy's so funny!
My first birthday party!
Blow the candle like Daddy! Oops! Oh no! Mom's covered!
Let's blow together. Ready? Blow! Yeah! Wish time! Mom's watching your show and tell. Oops! Yay! They brought a cake! It's Rhino's turn. Baby Rhino's first steps. Ouch! You have a boo-boo! Look, Daddy has a band-aid.
Yeah! You did it!
Oh no! Why is Dad sad? Hedgehog's first day at preschool! Time to play and make friends! Mommy and Daddy always love you! Yay! Cake time! Careful, Kitty! The oven's hot!
Ouch! 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 It hurts so bad! It's all red! What do I do?
Oh no! We'll help you!
We need ice!
Thank you, guys! We've learned a first aid rule! Now I will know what to do!
Quick, Hedgehog, shoot!
Ouch! My knee! I'm so sad! It's so red! What do I do? We can help!
We need magic cream! Don't be scared, this will help! Careful! Bee will get angry! Oh no! It stung you!
Ouch! Ouch! What do I do?
We'll help you!
We need tweezers to pull out the stinger!
This is what to do!
Yay! I'm okay now!
Oh no! Koala! You have a big bump!
It's so red! What do I do? Come with us!
What's the safety rule?
We have learned what to do! We know our safety rules!
Yikes! Oh no! Yummy pie!
Is it ready? Let me see. Watch out!
Are you okay?
need to be careful. Thanks, we're well.
Are you hungry, Koala?
No, don't touch! Koala, you okay?
The cooker is dangerous.
Thanks, now we know.
Oh no! They're crumpled! Yikes! Hedgehog, don't!
No! Watch out!
Wow! They look perfect! Don't touch!
We won't! Oh, it's so cold in here!
Come away.
Don't go near hot fires!
We won't.
Remember, kids, be safe and don't touch hot things!
Okay.
Oh, you can reach your toy!
Thanks, Daddy. You're so strong. My super daddy!
You try.
So many boxes!
What are you cooking?
Pass the salt, please, Koala.
Oh no!
I'm sorry, Daddy. Oh, Daddy, you're the best.
Oh!
And the smartest too.
Oh! Wow!
Hey, my daddy's great at driving.
Careful, kitty!
Ouch!
Oh!
You're my superhero.
Hot chocolate!
Ah, a big spider! Daddy, help me! There's a scary spider!
Yeah.
My brave daddy! Huh? I want to be like daddy!
Whoa! Daddy, help!
Stop. Watch me.
Daddies are our superheroes! Where are you going, kitty?
Wow, the amusement park.
It's a fun and exciting place! Look, kitty! Funny mirrors! Yikes! Show clown how you feel!
That one because I'm happy.
Great! You're happy!
Happy makes me bounce up and down.
Wow, so many balloons!
Meow, meow, meow.
Jump onto the Ferris wheel, kitty! I'm sad! I've lost my favorite cute dog!
Is it under the table? Oh no! I tried to smile, but I'm just too sad. Don't cry, Koala. Let's look together. I'm too sad to look. Careful, Rhino. Oh no!
My Lego castle's broken! That makes me angry! Last piece.
Yikes! It's fallen apart!
I'm so angry I have to roar!
Ouch! Your food!
Where's my punch bag?
Uh-oh! I can hear strange noises! I think it's under my bed! Yikes! Something's there! Ouch! Quick, run! I'm so scared! I need to hide! Oops! Ghost! Got you! Wait, Hedgehog, listen! We all have so many different emotions and feelings. But happy is the best!
Yeah!